Here we are today introducing our new Gola Profile by HPP. As you can see from the bottom, on the normal base units, we have your standard sort of J profile and your standard C profile. Obviously your C profile for drawer packs, and then you've got your J profile for your normal doors. So our J and our C profiles, we have our normal screw-on fixing, so pretty much standard. So you've got your small bit that goes into the back of the rail, and then we've got the fixing that screws into the cabinet. That goes on there, obviously have a little bit, it slides across the back, into that, turn it, and then we're locked. And obviously we've got the same fitting for the J profile. All the specs for both of these, for your cutout specs, for your drilling specs, are all online. We've got sketches and everything that you need to fit them. So here's our vertical profiles. We've got what we call the mid or the C vertical profile, and then we've got your end profile. So these are a little bit different than what you would normally get. So we'll go through how basically you fit these. There is really good videos on these online as well, because they are a little bit different than what your normal sort of vertical Gola profiles are about. Basically these are a snap-on version rather than a screw-on version, so I can literally, obviously they're quite stiff to pull on and off, but you can see we've got a groove on the back of the C profile, and we have these red brackets. So if you actually go and check our website, have a look at the video, you'll see how these are fitted. But essentially these two pieces here would be your end panel, your side panels for your tall ladder. These would screw on the front, and then essentially this just clips on. So they have little grooves on here. I'll put that on there. You have to give them a little whack, obviously they're meant to be stiff, and then basically that's fitted on. So this is our vertical end profile. Fits the same way as the mid. They does have a different bracket, which I'll show you, but these do again just snap on and off. Because of the way it's shaped, I like to get a little screwdriver. Basically just prise it off. And you can see, you can just pull it off. But you can see the bracket's a little bit different than the other one. Obviously you've got your end panel. This would be your side panel for your tall ladder. They look similar, it screws into that way, and it can screw into your end panel that way. As you can see, the profile's a little bit different, but essentially it just clips on, same as the other one. Last but not least, we also have our wall unit profile. Again, available in silver and black. It's a pretty standard wall profile, so you have a serrated back, which obviously you would groove the bottom panel of your wall unit, bit of glue, push that in, and then off you go. But essentially just your normal wall unit profile. So to sum up, we've got 5 profiles in 2 different colours. We've got your fixings and your corners, end caps, things like this for obviously your horizontal profiles. Your vertical profiles obviously with the fixings for them. We also have the spacer brackets, oven housings. If anyone's used this before, you'll need your filler piece for your oven. We also stock them. All in stock, ready to go.